Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin, and today is Friday. Today we're going to do a market recap for the week. Mainly, we're going to be looking at SPY because it is a heavy, reminder of the market. It traces the market, follows the market, and I want to show you guys how you could have made money on the way up or the way down. Before we get into it, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. Also, for those of you who have not started your brokerage account, use my links below. I have a RobinHood, a Webull, a Coinbase, all of that stuff for you where you get free stocks. Make sure you take advantage of those. All right, let's take a look at it. So the market, the Dow Jones is up today 2.15%. S&P 500 up 1.92%. The NASDAQ up 1.79%. And the Russell up 2.16%. With the VIX, the fear and greed tracker, down 8.22%. So we can assume that the fear and greed index came down heavily today, hopefully, or I guess went back towards the neutral point, which is good for us. I know we've had a bad week, right? CPI data came in hot at a 9.1, and we've been seeing several red days. But we gotta take a big look, right? For the week, in every index, we are still up for the week, up 0.12% on the S&P 500 for the week. Pretty flat, but we're still up. Up 0.22% for the Dow for the week. The NASDAQ up 0.59% for the week. So I know many of you thought when we came down here, they was like, oh my God, we going back into it. We coming all the way down. But nope, we came back up, right? So we dropped 3% and we got all of that back within a matter of days. The Russell, let's check it out, up 0.051%. Now, all of these are very, very flat. However, if you caught them down here at the bottom and watched them go back up, you could have got 3% gains, at least on those just stock trades. That is not including options. So this is $56, 3% options that are usually $20 to $50 a share, a dollar. I mean, every dollar you could have made hundreds or thousands of dollars based on this. So I told you all that we were bullish, right? I still stick by that. Until things change, until the trend changes, I believe that we are bullish still in this market. Let's check out the stock heat map, right? I just got to show you all this before we get into our technical analysis for the week. And I go back and show you all the chart that I've been posting all week on my Instagram, my Facebook. And I reviewed this with you all earlier in the week on Sunday, and I believe we reviewed it again on Monday. Look at this. The entire market is a beautiful bright red green. That's what we like to see. I think that we are finally bullish, you all. I think we plan to see some green for the next couple weeks, like I said, until things change. Right now, I will say I have some questionable points, but the way the market reacted today makes me believe that we are still looking good. We still have a bright remaining couple months for the year. All right, so let's take a look at it. All right, so you all know, if you've been looking at this with me, I showed you all this on the day chart, right? We looked at this, we drew it out, and look at it. It's pretty much spot on. The only point where we missed out is we came lower here, and I told you all if it came below this point was the 371.99, somewhere around there, 371.99, something like that I would be kind of skeptical of it becoming bearish again. However, although we came down here, what did we do? We bounced right back up, right? So we're still following this trend. Now, of course, it's not perfect, but we're following it. So I can see us going back up here before we reject again. And if we get a new higher low, I definitely see us going back to the moon and staying bullish. I do believe we're bullish. So let's look at our 4-hour more detail. Again, I charted this in advance. So this was before any of this was here, you all. This was before any of this was here. If you were an options trader and you knew, I drove this out for you. I even gave you the lines here with the price targets. And you took a screenshot of this, you could have took good advantage of this and made money on the way up and the way down. Way down at this point and coming back up. So like I said, it's not going to be a straight line when we're trading. But look at it, I'm pretty close. If I extend this out and bring this down a little bit, I am fairly close. As long as we come back up here before we reject, I can see us staying bullish. Now, however, if we reject here and come back down and meet a new lower low, because right now, this is going to be one of our chart patterns, right? I want you all to tell me in the comments which chart pattern is this, because look at it. It is beautiful. We got a double bottom here. You all know what a double bottom is. You all know. So I want you all to tell me in the bottom, is that bullish or is it bearish? And how do you feel about this chart? So I want you all to come in next week looking at this thing, and we're going to keep a close eye on it. We're looking for resistance up here, and we're looking to catch support here. So we see a new higher high. I'm sorry, a new lower high. We could get a new low high, and I see us going to the moon from here. So hopefully that's the trend we stick with. Of course, in 2 weeks on the 28th, we have the GP data coming in, the gross product data coming in. And that is going to let us know, are we in a technical recession? Are we in a recession for the year? And that's going to be a big deal. So that is why I say, that is why I have my candle so short, right? Because I don't believe us. If they tell us we're in recession, I can see many people panicking. However, the thing about it, historically, before a recession is announced, the market rallies. The market blows back. So it comes down early during the recession, and then it bounces back before we even know that the recession hit us. So if this thing sticks with the history and sticks with the trends, then we should continue to see some bullish weeks, days, months going forward. But you all know bad news can rock the market anyway, anyhow. And we have earnings next week. So we have earnings next week, and then on 20th we have that GP data, which will tell us, hey, are we in a recession? Two quarters down consecutively lets us know that we're in a recession. And I do believe that we're going to get that recession, especially with inflationary numbers, the CPI data coming in high at that 9.1%. So that's what I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you all have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Or you can feel free to inbox me. I'm okay with that. Also, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you later.